some things that I bought from Journey. And guys, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell, cause watch out for some new videos. And first, let's open the things that I bought. I brought these socks from Journeys. They're really cool. They have a watermelon, orange, strawberry, pineapple, and cherries. Okay? But first we're gonna try on one pair, just one pair. But the one pair is gonna be the oranges because I haven't opened the orange. I didn't think they were gonna fit. I thought they were too big, but they're the perfect size. So, I think I'm gonna keep these on and keep them on until I put the shoes on. Okay? I'm gonna now open the shoes. So, let's grab them out. Oh, these are fresh shoes. Oh my God. I love them. And the inside, they're soft. I just dropped them. But in the inside, they're so soft. But on the outside, it's hard. Last time I put them on, my toes touched the end. So, the back is pretty cool. It has spikes. It has the name of the shoes right here. And it has some more spikes. Most on the back of the shoe, there's spikes. And here's like a U. And we have some stripe lines. And this is like a hump. Back. And we got the name of the shoe on the front and the back. So, they're pretty cool. They have shoelaces. I have some other shoes with shoelaces. And I have two shoes with shoelaces. So, and we have them. I think the spikes are the best thing on the shoe. Because I like the spikes. Like real spikes. Like different shaped spikes. The inside, I don't know why it has an inside right there. I think they should have just put the outside on the inside. So, it'll look better like that. It just will look better like that. But, it has the name right there too. It has names all over the shoe. Back, front. Actually, my white shoes. I was just singing a song about my white shoes that I got. But they feel pretty good. They feel soft. They feel soft as a pillow. So, they're pretty soft and I love them. So, I'm going to sing the white shoes to you, that song that I was just singing. And then, let's get started. My white shoes, my white shoes. I love my shoes today. My white shoes. I love to run in my white shoes. I like to run. I like to walk. I like to run. white shoes, my white shoes. I love my shoes today. I love my white shoes today. I love my white shoes today. So it's time to sit down and take a nap.